I have no idea what Russian sushi is.
I think she's got her work cut out here, because from the menu, it's not making me excited.
You should be going in 2 minutes, Tamilla.
Okay. Not gonna happen.
We done? Come on, off you go.
Hello.
Hello.
There we are.
Thank you.
Today I cooked Russian sushi for you with fermented cabbage salad. I hope you'll enjoy.
Thank you.
This looks really appetizing. Now Russian sushi kind of makes sense to me.
Down in one? Yeah.
Damn yet.
That's actually a really interesting concept. That little kind of bit of smokiness from the fish. And I actually really enjoy the fermented cabbage. I think it's just a tad over-seasoned.
Lovely nutty buckwheat, lovely hits of fresh dill, lots of fiery horseradish hitting you too.
That's not bad. It really tastes like sushi. As they say in Eurovision Song Contest, 9.5. Tamilla, your barbecue lamb, let's go.
Roasted rack of lamb with charred aubergine salsa, potatoes and onion relish. I just want to see pink, nicely cooked lamb.
I'm hoping this is going to be elevated to something more than kind of what I'm reading here.
OK, we like. Thanks, Tamilla. Well done, Tamilla.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I cooked you lamb in Azerbaijani way, how we cook it at home, with potatoes covered with sumac and also charred aubergine salsa.
Thank you.
I hope you enjoy.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
That lamb for me could be rendered down just a little bit more, get that fat really nice and crispy, but the actual meat itself is cooked perfectly.
Yeah.
This aubergine salsa, because he should describe it as charred, I like to actually maybe a little bit more smokiness in there.
If she could have just cranked up the seasonings and the finesse of the cooking, then the whole plate, I would have been scraping it clean.
Apart from nicely cooked lamb, I can't find a great deal to compliment it on. But that molasses and the lamb together are lovely, lovely, lovely.
There are 3 or 4 things that could have been better, but at the end of the day, I served the food and it looked okay on the plate. Hopefully, I will get some good remarks.
Tamilla is a really exciting, innovative cook. She's doing things which we've never seen before, which nobody's ever seen before. Billy has really pushed himself. He's a proper fighter. Neither Billy or Tamilla are perfect right now. They both made mistakes today. I don't know.